Hi guys, today we're going to talk about how to make a pinch pot. The first step in making a pinch pot is to grab your Play-Doh or clay, and we're going to use the palm of our hands and turn it into a sphere or a ball. Today we're going to make really small pinch pots. We don't need very much clay. Do you see how it can fit in the size of my hand? That's about how much Play-Doh or clay you want. Okay, once I get kind of a nice sphere formed, the next step is to actually take your thumb and you are going to just sort of stick it down in the middle. Okay, but you see how my thumb didn't come through the other end? We don't want it to go through. We're kind of making just like a little bowl. That's what a pinch pot is. It's sort of like a tiny little bowl. And you see how I made just a thumb hole here? Okay, the next step we're going to do is you're going to stick your thumb back in there and you're going to try and keep all of your fingers together kind of like this, like a little bit of duck mouth. And we are going to rotate as we go around. And our goal is to try and keep all of the sides, the walls here of our pinch pot the same thickness. Okay, because if you went and had a cereal bowl or a cup and one side was really thick and one side was really thin, you'd be like, what's going on with this bowl? So we want to keep these about the same thickness. And you guys, I'm just gently pressing like this as I go around. And my bottom is about the same thickness as this. Okay, if you want, when it starts getting a little bigger, you can do two hands. We don't want to stretch it too fast. If I start stretching it too fast, I get these sort of stretch marks. It can fall apart. So you just want to be kind of slow and gentle and open this up. Okay. And when you get kind of the shape you want and the size you want, then you're done. We want these walls though to be, remember we talked about with the coils, no thicker than your thumb, really like a good thickness for a bowl or a mug. Sidewalls here is about the thickness of your pinky when we're hand building it. So, you know, I've got some parts that are a little thicker there, right? So I'm just gonna kind of go, and I'm not just doing the top, I'm not just pinching the top, I'm pinching like the whole thing all the way up. Okay. Try and make it nice and even. And you see how like that's like side sticking up, so I can just go and I can pinch some of this off. I can take this, I can turn over and like gently tap it. Okay, and there is my little pinch pot. And these are going to be the tops of our turtles. So if you wanted it to look a little bit more turtle-like, you could just gently kind of pull it out more. So it's still domed, but it's not like super spread out. So we kind of got a nice little turtle top there.